Well, this is Sailor the Piper Man with my seagull, Nording, in honor of Tunnel. I'm watching here this wonderful World Series game. Pipe smoking well.
Also goes to show you why Dave Roberts
Excited.
the way he did. Tommy Smith, Freeman. Because he knew if he went to Mason Cruz, Will Smith would get leverage at bat. He also knew if he
I don't know. I don't know about this World Series. It's too good, you know.
Here's how leverage at bat.
Almost had a fight. Dodgers are up. First and second. 2 outs. Let's see if the Dodgers can get back into it. This is in honor of Tunnel. Man, I was trying my church warden. I couldn't get that Fire Kentucky Burley I left there 2 years ago. Couldn't get it out. I was sticking it in, trying to get it. I was almost having to ream it out. Then I decided, let me smoke it out. And it tasted horrid.
Freeman hits a fly ball to center field. Marshall's there. Marshall makes the catch. That's a big out for that young man who has worked so hard in the playoffs. He gets through Smith. He gets through Freeman. Scherzer's going to be about the first one to greet him when he comes back in the dugout.
Louis Garland, a late season acquisition.
This is so ergonomic, I think it's called. It just sits so well. These Nording pipes. It sits so well on my teeth, man. I can see why. And that's every single one I bought. I got 4 of them. These guys, these Danish people know how to make pipes, man, since the 1950s. I'm still smoking that cherry blend today. I smoked the cherry blend. I smoked some Captain Black, and I smoked that Sutcliffe Brulee. It was wonderful, man. 2 years I had that, hadn't tried it. I feel giddy, I feel happy now. Watching the game. I'm online with you guys, I can't wait to go through my other pipes. My mother only brought me 30 pipes. And I had to clean them out and stuff. I'm going to try them little by little. My brother goes, man, I didn't know you had that many pipes. I had a suitcase load of pipes. Pipes that I had stashed away for such a long time. I don't even remember what they look like. They're going to bring me the other pipe. That's not even the pipe tobacco. I said, holy cow, you got a closet full of pipe tobacco. Right now it's 3-1. Blue Jays looking good, man. But I don't know. I don't think this is over yet. I think this is going to be a lot closer by the end of the game.
During this postseason,
Ohtani didn't look right. He struggled, through 3 innings or 4 innings, he really struggled, man.
Three-run homer in a Game 7 of the World Series was 1967. William Javier, Cardinals liner to third. By Muncy. Well, the shed hit hard again.
Not only that, the defense has been awesome. Some awesome catches in the outfield. First baseman, just right now on third base. Great catch. A bullet was hit to third, and Muncy caught it. That's the way it should be, you know. I stopped watching baseball so long ago.
Here's Barger, 2 for 2.
The pitching's been excellent. Look at this beautiful pipe, man.
It's a hard one to beat.
Now I appreciate it more than ever. I don't think they're making these the seagull pipe.
On the inside, 1-1.
You could probably get it on eBay, but this one was a really nice one. You can see that the artist took his time. You know, it's got a nice entrance.
But you still have to keep enough in the can to get the final 3 outs. Let's pass it on out for the Blue Jays.
Smoking real well. I'm so glad I got my pipes, some of my pipes, you know. They're like my babies. You know when you used to smoking and you're going outdoors and you're just lighting it up. I didn't realize how much I miss them and appreciate my pipes, you know. They become so close to me. And my wife realizes it now. She sees how happy I am, you know. I'm smiling, and women don't understand that. There's a couple of things you don't mess with men. You don't mess with their dogs. You don't mess with their pipe. You don't say smoke the quality time. This is my quality time, you know. I'm a little older. It helps me with my anxiety sometimes, and I can get quiet down. There's the times that you just need that time to slow things down. It's bad enough the way the world is, right? You want to slow things down, take your time, smoke your pipe. You know, if you want to drink a beer, you could drink a beer. You want to drink a little wine, you drink a little wine. You know, I've been working most of my life, and now I have this opportunity to just smoke and relax and enjoy you guys. And there's been a lot of activity, I noticed. A lot of people putting out videos, and I appreciate all you guys just, you know, chiming in and welcome me back online. It's been a long time, man. You know, I spent 2 years rehabbing. I feel so good now.
Harder breaking ball, slider there for strike 1 call.
And with Tunnel's encouragement, and let me tell you, I miss a lot of you guys that are not making videos anymore. One of my favorite was this Irish guy and this German guy. He used to smoke a lot of Mission pipes. I haven't seen him put out anything. I hope this community is very important to me, you know. Just watching you guys smoking, you know. I've been watching the pipe championships. It's great, you know.
Last night, Roki Sasaki hit Kirk with his good finger. He had to get an X-ray last night.
Oh yeah, this is smoking. This has got it. I got this baby bad boy going. Just lit it up once. This one gives me a different joy. This one gives me more of In my mouth, I'm feeling like a robust taste, more of it.
Pitch from Glasgow. 7 bases by a catcher in a single postseason. Almost a record for Kirk.
Very nice. Now I appreciate how each one has a certain way of smoking, a certain draw. And I'm tasting now the nuances of different tobacco. I'm tasting burley more now. I just had burley. I didn't know how much is it, but I must have put in a batch that had a little bit more burley. I'm tasting the burley now.
That was an incredible.
About 6 months ago, I lost a lot of my taste. You know, it's all coming back now. And I'm able to appreciate, you know, just basic tobacco. You know, you gotta remember, tobacco, it's a living organism. Somebody's making it, somebody's curing it for me. Not only that, these briar, before they became these briar pipes, it was also a living organism, you know, and the tree was cut down. And I appreciate nature. This brings me close to nature, and I really appreciate my smoking now than before, you know. Not that I didn't before, but you kind of take it for granted. But now I realize, you know, somebody's been riding around. So that's it, my friend. Got my seagull Nording pipe, smoking it. Joined this baseball game, wondering who's gonna win. In the meantime, I'll continue to smoke and see you guys tomorrow. Have a good one.